Hi, my name is James. I work with Nature's Turf here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to top dress areas in your lawn where you may have some light damage or thin growth from previous growing seasons. Maybe an area got scalped. Whatever the issue may be, this is just going to help the turf fill in areas like this. So we have some planting soil here. Topsoil will work just as well. We also have some kids' play sand. This is the best sand to use as it's going to be filtered and screened to keep weed seeds out. We have a bucket here, so what we do is we just put a 50-50 blend of the soil and the sand in this bucket and mix it together. This is a nice rich soil, so that's going to help to encourage recovery. The sand is also really well draining, so it's going to help hold moisture, take moisture in a little bit easier. So we're going to take our shovel and just get a light coating over this area. Don't want to do too much to smother it, just about 1/8 to 1/4 inch. And we're going to lightly sprinkle that over these areas. This wouldn't be the way to top dress an entire lawn, but it's great for small areas like this where we just need to encourage recovery. Then we'll take our rake and just kind of work that into the soil so we don't have any areas that are too built up. Again, we don't want to smother it, we just want to kind of give it a light coating. You can also use the back of a garden rake and then just kind of smooth it out, and that should help this area fill in nicely.